Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Okay, let's dive into the fascinating, and often challenging, task of finding contradictions in text. This tutorial will cover the core concepts, various approaches, challenges, and provide code examples using Python and popular libraries like NLTK and transformer-based models. Introduction. What is contradiction detection? At its heart, contradiction detection involves determining if two pieces of text assert information that cannot be simultaneously true. It's a core task in natural language understanding, NLU, and has applications in diverse areas. Fact verification, ensuring that claims made are consistent with a trusted knowledge base. Argument mining, identifying conflicting arguments within a debate or discussion. Plagiarism detection, detecting paraphrased content that contradicts the original source.